how to convert MP4 to JPG. So if you want to convert MP4 to JPG, then what you need to do is first open up your browser, and under the search, what you need to do is search for www.online-converter.com and hit the enter. And after that, you will get this kind of interface, which is online-converter.com. You'll get this kind of interface, and you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that convert option. Simply choose the first thing, and then you need to choose MP4. So here under the video section, you will have MP4. Just go with video, and then you need to choose MP4. And under the second one, you can go with the image option and then go with JPG. And after that, now you just need to simply drop your files right here. Just click on choose file, and then it will take you to the browse option, and then you can choose your file, which is the MP4 file. Once you choose your file, you can simply go with the start option, which is right here, and it will start the converting process. And after converting, you'll be able to download that. So that's it. That's how you can convert your MP4 to your JPG. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.